So I've used this as a knife now for a bit over a year or more, and now let's see how it performs in the woods. Now let's use it to carve a bit around on this piece of wood here. I haven't used a fresh blade yet, and with a bit of pressure from the thumb, hope you're in focus, you can whittle away on it quite nice. It is not the kind of knife to make perfect feather sticks, but you can carve up some wood. This type of blade is very sharp. It does a good enough job at this task. I mean, it's more an urban knife I want to use in the woods, but yeah, you can whittle away on this thing quite nicely here. Let's see how long we take till we whittle through it. And when the blade gets dull, I actually don't throw it away, I resharpen it. I have such a pull-through kitchen knife sharpener, and this does a great job here. And as you see, it doesn't do a bad job. Well, let's resume. So far I'm very happy with this knife, and I would take another one of those. So if you come across one of those X-Acto knife holding knife kind of things, take it. And the good thing is, it is legal to carry in Europe because the blade itself is very short and tiny. That's another thing to consider, because laws.